How to use Perplexity AI for creating outlines. Need a quick way to organize your ideas? Perplexity AI can help you generate clear outlines for any project or writing task. Simply type in new topic and add create an outline. For example, create an outline for a blog post on time management. Perplexity will generate a structured list of headings and subpoints. You can customize the outline by requesting more details or asking for specific sections to include, such as add an introduction and conclusion. Use the outline as a roadmap for your writing to stay organized and cover all key points efficiently. What kind of outlines do you usually create? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And that's how you can use Perplexity AI for creating outlines. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.